Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Galaxy Wearable app. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and now open the Galaxy Wearable application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, find the option called Watch Settings and tap on it. And here scroll down and find the option called General and tap on it. And then scroll down and find the Reset, tap on it, and then tap on Reset button to confirm. Before that though, one thing to mention is that make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%. Mine is lower, but I recommend to charge it if it's lower, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So at least charge the battery before you try to reset your watch. Then tap on Reset. Now, here you have option to basically back up your data if you like to. If you want to back up the data, tap on Open Smart Switch. It will open different application and you can use it to back up your data. I'm just gonna tap on Done Backup. And the watch will disappear from the app, and also it will start resetting itself. So we can wait until it's done. At this point we can close the application and wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.